Hey guys, let's take a look at Fetch.ai here. Fetch.ai is actually one of the stronger coins at the moment. It is only down 0.07% at the moment, according to Binance from 24 hours ago, of course. Now, you can see you did have a great opportunity if you were going to DCA into this yesterday. It hit about $1.60. Um, Now, yeah, guys, I can say that this fall, in the last couple of days, this is because of a geopolitical problem with Iran and Israel. So as long as nothing, accelerates here or escalates, yeah, not accelerates, sorry, then, yeah, I think, Fetch AI will probably make its way back up um, and continue to this $3 mark where I've made a line here. There seems to be a lot of resistance, here, here, here. There was a touch point here. It's been support here. Also a little bit of support around here. So yeah, this $3 mark is kind of important for Fetch AI. Right now, currently $2.14. And a few hours ago, it did get a strong push off this Fibonacci. Now, it does look like it tested this as support, so that's a great thing, technically. And it just really needs to break this at about $2.20. And I believe you're going to see very quickly up to about $2.52, where you can see there's a lot of touch points here. Now, let me put a line here, and let's make that, I'm not going to make that blue, it's not blue sky territory. Let's just make this orange for now. If it can get above that, yeah, then $3 is probably next. Or there could be another, maybe a little bit of resistance around 274 actually. But I'm just going to leave that like it is right now because this was support, support, support. So let's see. Let's continue up to about 252. Then we'll worry about $3 next. So Bitcoin at the moment. Take a quick look here. It's 64,300. You can see it did drop down to about 60.6. Now, if you look at this in the longer time frame, I mean, basically, we're still ranging. Now, making, let's say breaking this trend line, making a lower low from this point, that's a bad thing, technically. But nothing fundamentally has really changed with Bitcoin. This is not the end of the bull market, I am sure. Now, this definitely could be a shakeout by a lot of whales, but mainly this is caused by the political situation and people are scared. But I think you're going to see in the coming few weeks, if you decided to sell at this point, it was probably a bad point. Basically, once you see these big drops, they're usually so quick. And if you try to sell, you'll just end up losing money and have to buy in higher. I've learned that in the past. I've done it many times. When I see these drops, I don't really panic. I just buy a little more. So anyways, guys, basically Bitcoin is still ranging. You can see we've been at this point three times basically before, all coming in March, basically, yeah, all in March. And we ended up getting pushes to the upside again. So I'm not really afraid about this. I do think we will get a bounce. As I said in the previous video with stacks today, we need to get above 65.8. Then we have this trend line to contend with. And then, we need to get above 67.9, let's say. So that's pretty much the next three resistances on Bitcoin. Now, whatever, Bitcoin chooses to do, whether it chooses to go up or down, that affects the altcoins. But yeah, Fetch is actually one of the stronger coins right now, just barely down. at the moment, but you know, this may be a coin I would consider DCAing in. I am light on this one too. Now I know I said that in a previous video with Immutable X, and I did say in stacks I might get some stacks. It just depends how much free money I get from Omni and Binance. Maybe I can do all three. You know, and yeah, these are actually good coins to pick up, but the focus of this video is of course Fetch. But at $2.14, I would say that's not bad. I do think that Fetch is going to be kind of a shocker. It's going to be the best probably AI coin that we're going to see in this bull run. Now, of course, there is Singularity Net and Ocean Protocol and a few others. You know, Render is considered AI. Even GRT, you know, the graph is considered that it's AI now. Theta, another one. But the true leader of AI, I believe, is going to be Fetch. Anyways, guys, that's what I have for you in this video. Overall, Fetch not looking too bad. It did get a bounce off this Fibonacci and has shown that support. So let's see if we can get up to 252. Then we'll worry about $3 next, guys. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, activate the bell. Thanks a lot.